Chief Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc Harish Goswami today suggested that the state administration should appoint a spokesperson for each district for a daily briefing that can be conducted on the activities that are happening in all districts of Manipur. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Harish Goswami lauded Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla for the crucial steps he has taken up to restore peace and normalcy in the state. However, to ensure transparency, Hareshwar suggested the governor to provide daily updates for each district regarding recovered weapons and other security operations. While expressing concern over the lack of consensus among BJP MLAs, Harish Goswami said prolonging the president's rule and keeping the state assembly under suspended animation will bring more hardships to people. He urged BJP MLAs to facilitate the return of government with elected representatives. Speaking further, Hareshwar also questioned BJP MLAs whether they have a clear-cut idea on how they will react if centre employs carrot and stick policy as people continue to live under uncertainty and confusion, considering that centre can grant separate administration without compromising the territorial integrity of Manipur under 6th schedule of Indian Constitution. Therefore, BJP MLAs must ensure that separate administration in any form is not granted.
State Parliament BJP Sarkar is competent to electable law and order Napangumdava, Aduga Miam Punsi Lantung Napangumdava, Asina Maramoiduna, Akoi PR Kamjalapagi, Acho Maram Amani, BJP State MLA Singna, Lucing Makanamdava, Ukshen Manadava, Ama Magapundava, Unity Laitava, Sigumbakaya, Si. Oira agadi April tang tara voklay benina adugi manung chidayda mukoi sarkar si claim towa amosung samowa basi tawdragadi PR gi potsi soyam ki makha chatharkani haibagi chingnaba lay maramaduna akoina congress na opposition na moina miyam gi interest ta BJP gi layriba MLA singsi amatoina punchanduna matik chawa Manipur ngakpa ngamgadaba Manipur da peace santi normalcy miyam gi punsi lan thung ngakpa ngamgadaba adugum leader ma khallaga Yamna Tunamak, Biangi Oiba, Ganatrantric Oiba Dumba, Democratic Oiba Lenga Kadu Handalanba, Aquili Congress Party Oinusu, upon money, separate administration, Mayam, Pamau, the Haro, territorial integrity, Cairo, Haire, and the Tauraga, Bodolian, territorial council, Pota Sakragadi, Manipur, Amugana Halaroi, Equina Sahi, Sinanigi, Tias, Lay, Hariba Manipur, Amugana Pujana, Pugipoti, Lairoi,